Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what up? What it do? How's it going? How you living? How you feeling? My name is Jamar, and welcome to the Jamaar channel, where we talk about everything from becoming a beginner photographer and anything in between, videography and cinematography and all that great stuff. Today, we are bringing you an episode about, as you've seen right before we started, what's in your bag. We're talking about everything that's in my bag, ladies and gentlemen. All the stuff, all the items that you will see are not, I have not bought them in one moment. They've been bought throughout the years so far. So within the past 5 years or so is when these things have been bought. And like I said, I'm a very beginner photographer. I don't know what I'm going to be using in the next couple of weeks, or what I'm going to be using, or if anything I'm using now is still going to be in my bag tomorrow. I don't know. This is just what I'm using as a beginner, and I want to know what you guys are using as well. So definitely leave leave a comment below and let me know what is in your guys' bags. And also, I want you guys to critique my bag. If you're already a professional photographer, let me know what I should have in my bag after you watch the video, and let me know what I should take out of my bag after you watch the video and all that great stuff. So with further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into what's in your bag. First up, we have the beautiful bag itself, the Vanguard Havana 48 backpack for Sony, Nikon, Canon, Fujifilm, mirrorless, and compact system cameras and DSLRs and travel. It's ideal for DSLRs with lenses attached to it, 2 to 3 lenses with the flash and accessories, a 15-inch laptop, and personal effects. It also has a well-padded camera insert and dividers, a well-padded back and harness. It can carry a small tripod, and it has a totally coverage rain cover. Come on, who doesn't like that? And it has a dedicated pockets for your essentials like your keys and your microchips and SD cards and things and such. And the bag is $80 on Amazon right now, so I'll leave the link in the description below. You can check it out. Everything's gonna be in the link in the description below, all the items that you see today. Moving on, this item right here is by far the favorite item in my bag. This is my GoPro Hero 5 Session. It is a small action-packed camera. It doesn't have an LCD screen, but you can hook it up to your phone to see what you are capturing. I use it for mostly B-roll and just when I'm on the go, when I just need something quick and easy. I don't have one of those big ass, rigs that people be using with the Gorilla Pods. This is nice, small, compact, and I love it. It was a birthday gift, and I recommend using GoPros if you are getting into this kind of stuff. I don't know why. GoPros just seem so easy to use and just simple, and they have great quality video, so definitely recommend the GoPro. Moving on to the next item. Ooh, this little beauty right here is the Polaroid Originals 1-Step 2 Polaroid camera. As simple as that. It's a Polaroid camera that actually prints the pictures out off rip. As soon as you take the picture, as soon as you take the picture, it prints the picture out. That was a tongue twister for some strange reason, but I love it. I love taking candid shots, and I'm going to start using it to take at least one picture of my models, or at least the event that I'm doing. I'm going to use this to capture every moment that I can and put it in my photo book that I have. Maybe one day I can talk about and show you guys the photo book that I'm coming up with. But yeah, this is my Polaroid camera. I use this just for fun. On to the next item, please. Now on to the bread and butter of my camera bag, and the bread and butter of this channel. This is the first camera that I've ever gotten. It was a gift from my wife, and it is called the Canon EOS Rebel T5. It came with 2 lenses, 18 to 55 millimeters, and in a larger one, 75 to 300 millimeter lens. You'll see that in the next clip. But this is a basic camera, and I want to see if what everybody says is true, that you don't need a high-end camera to take great quality pictures. We're about to find that out. We're coming up in the next couple of weeks, and we're gonna sit here and dissect videos and see what we can do and how we can learn all these great techniques and things with this beautiful camera right here. I would say it is a great starter camera, even though I haven't had any other type of camera, so I don't know if this is a great starter's camera. You guys let me know in the comments below if you think this is a great starter camera for somebody just starting out photography. Alright, moving on to the lenses now. I really don't use these 2 lenses that much, but I'm about to start using them, especially the 7500 to 300 millimeter lens. That's the longer one. I'm going to start trying out new different techniques and different things with this camera lens. The 24 millimeter lens is the smaller one, the pancake that you see on the side. That one, I'm about to start using for portraits, and I'm about to start trying to do some cool techniques from portraits. But as of right now, I really don't use them that much, but they're in my bag just in case I want to take them out and do use them, so, and switch it up a little bit. But I'm gonna start using them a lot more, and we're gonna test things out with the different lenses. So there, I mean, that's it for the lenses. I didn't really have too much to say about them. Moving on, this little doohickey right here is called the Tascam DR5 solid state recorder. This is a handheld recorder, or not even a handheld, it's just an actual recorder. I do not have a mic for my camera. My camera does not have a mic port, so I cannot buy a mic for my camera, and my GoPro sound is not as good as it should be. So this is what I use to record my audio for videos. This is also not just a photography channel. We are going to be doing cinematography and videography and short films and things. So I also use this when I'm doing a short film and I need close-ups on the voice or things like that. So that's what I use this for, and that's in the bag. And now we're gonna move on to the last piece of item that we have in our bag. By now you're probably asking, Jamar, how are you getting these such smooth shots of all these items in your bag? How are you doing it? Well, let me tell you, okay? It's because of this bad boy right here, the Zion Smooth Q 3-axle handheld gimbal stabilizer for smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is a godsend. I love it. I know it's kind of blurry on the screen right now, but it doesn't matter. This thing is amazing. It keeps my shot steady. I finally understand why people love gimbals so much. It is actually an amazing item. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I also use my smartphone. Everything that you saw today that was shot on my smartphone. I have the Galaxy 10 Plus, and I'm telling you right now, this thing is amazing. A lot of my future shots and pictures will be taken on this smartphone, so I'm gonna be doing smartphone photography as part of this experiment to grow as a photographer as well. So join me and let me know down in the comments below, ladies and gentlemen, what was your favorite item out of this video, and also let me know what you guys have in your camera bags. I want to see what people are using in their camera bags starting off in photography, because we're starting off here. This is brand new, and you know, these are all things that I've collected throughout the years. I haven't bought everything at once or anything. This is stuff that I got for my birthdays, for Christmas, and gifts and everything and such. So I want to know what you guys have in your camera bags and what kind of cameras you use and items and equipment and everything that you use. So definitely leave a comment below. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing, and if you don't like what you're seeing, then I'm out there. Peace.